Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Ty with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in and check out the midday update for Bitcoin and the market. And we're back with the fancy slides again. It's crazy. All right, the market. Stock market, tech sector is still pretty red. It's really red. You got Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, all red. But the area that turned green, more green, was the energy sector that we saw before. Healthcare is got more green, and down here in the financials, they got more green too. JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, etc. They got more green there. Insurance got more green, so financial looked pretty good. And that's about it for the stock market. Crypto market, Bitcoin was green earlier. Actually, most of this was green earlier, and but now they've turned more red. The only thing that the coins that are green left are BNB, FTM, AVAX, Crow, Doge, and a few other little ones. In the previous 1 hour chart on TradingView, I mentioned that there's a 70% chance the price will go up and then it'll go back down. And let's see what happened. It went up to this line and went back down. So I also added, this might be too much information for some of you, but might as well learn it anyways. So I added the volume histograms here on the side that will give us an idea of how much volume is traded at certain price range. So as you can see up here, up at this zone here, that's 41 point something, 41.6 I think. And there's a lot of volume up here. So that's something to keep in mind. Down here, we have high volume here, right here. So that's right where Bitcoin is currently right now on the hourly chart. So if it breaks through that high volume area, it'll go down to this level here, where we have more volume here. And so is it going to trend down? I think it's going to consolidate for a little bit, and then it will decide what to do. You can see down here, the KDJ is trending down. The other indicators like RSI, the momentum indicator, and the cumulative volume delta also trending down. Same thing with the MACD over here. This is not a live chart. This is a screen grab. On the stock market, the yellow line was where the stock market opened, and you can see Bitcoin has trended down since a few hours ago. This is 30-minute chart on TradingView. This several hours ago it started trending down. You can see, but which is strange because the U.S. dollar index, the DXY, was trending down in the same period. But as the DXY, I guess it makes sense. As the DXY was turning sideways, Bitcoin started turning sideways again. And if the DXY starts going up, Bitcoin's going to continue to drop. So we'll see what happens here with the DXY. But it looks like it's going sideways. And Bitcoin kind of halted. The bond, a 10-year bond, is going up. Stock market, it went down, then up, then down. Same thing with this is the NASDAQ. This is the S&P 500 here. It went kind of sideways, up, and then back down again on the close. The Dow did much better, went up a lot more, and then just on the last hour, it went down. Liquidation, as Bitcoin was going up earlier during this phase here, liquidated more shorts, and you can see here how the the overage of shorts versus long has decreased. We're down to less than half a billion. So it's 455 million overage with the short liquidations. That's what is available. If you subtract the abundance of shorts minus the longs, this is only on Binance though. Here's the heat map. Ignore these black areas here, empty areas. That's when my computer was off. But you can see there's not many large cell walls up on top or right below here all the way down until you get to 32. So at the present time, it's pretty clear. You can see some light bands of blues here. They are a bit of size, but we want to look at the colorful reds, yellows, and whites here. So we got 32 down here. We got 31, 30, 29, and 28. I looked further down, but there's not much down there at this time. Again, this can change at any time. That's it for our quick update for Bitcoin in the market. If you found this valuable, go ahead and smash the like, ring the bell, and hit subscribe. Thank you. See you later.